Your competitor is about to ship an MCP server, and the agent your customer uses every day is going to recommend them instead of you. You already have a REST API, so why ship an MCP server on top? Because in 2026, an API gets you developers, an MCP server gets you agents, and agents are the new customers. 5 minutes. The case for shipping an MCP server for your SaaS, and how to do it without rewriting your stack. Quick context. If you missed our last video, MCP is a contract that lets AI agents call your tools. Think of it as the open API spec, but for agents. Here's what shifted this year. Claude, Cursor, ChatGPT. All of them now read MCP natively, which means your customer isn't logging into your dashboard as often. They're asking an agent to do the job your dashboard used to do. If that agent can't reach your product isn't in the answer. This is the part most teams haven't priced in yet. So let's price it in. Reason 1 to ship an MCP server. Distribution. Every SaaS company spent the last decade chasing 2 channels: Google rankings and integrations marketplaces. There's a third channel now: the agent itself. When a user asks Claude, Cursor, or any AI assistant to do something, the agent picks the tool that has an MCP server it can read. Agents recommend what they can use. That is the new SEO. Same playbook your marketing team has been running for 10 years. Different surface. GitHub, Stripe, Cloudflare, Notion, Linear. They already shipped MCP servers, not as a side project, as a distribution play. The first CRM with great MCP integration becomes the default the agent recommends. The second CRM has to fight to be in the answer at all. Okay, but what does shipping an MCP server actually cost in dev time? Here's the honest version. If your product already has a REST API, you've done the hard 80%. Your auth, your business logic, your rate limits, they all live in your existing API. Your MCP server reuses every line of it. What's new is the manifest, a list of tools the agent can discover. A name, a description the agent reads to decide when to call it, a schema for the inputs. That description field is the one beginners undercook. The agent uses it to decide which tool to call. Bad description, wrong tool fires. Treat the description like a docstring for an agent, because that's literally what it is. Wire each MCP tool to one existing REST endpoint. 1 to 2 weeks of work for a minimal MCP server. 2 to 4 more weeks to harden it for production. Now, let's get tactical. You're a dev. You're convinced. How do you make the case to your PM? Lead with the distribution argument, not the technology. Your PM does not care about model context protocol. They care about pipeline. So frame it like this. Every agent your buyer uses is a channel we're not in yet. Show them one screenshot, the agent recommending a competitor when asked about our category. Nothing closes a deck faster than a screenshot of an agent recommending your competitor. Pair it with a one-line scope. We wrap our top 3 workflows as MCP tools in a sprint. 3 tools, not 30. Ship the ones that match the buyer's most spoken sentences. That's the wedge. Get it shipped. You can always add tools later. The first version is not the final version. It's the foot in the door. Here's the honest counter side. There are SaaS products that should not ship an MCP server. At least not yet. 1. Your product is internal only or single tenant. No external agents will ever touch it. 2. Your API itself is unstable. An MCP server on top of a broken API just exposes the breakage to agents that can't recover. Fix the API first, always. 3. Your actions are irreversible and high stakes. Wiring those up to a hallucinating agent on day 1 is a bad day. Ship read-only tools first. Add write tools when you have agent-side confirmation flows. 4. You don't have a clean way to authenticate the agent on behalf of a user. Solve auth before you ship. OAuth on behalf of a user is the table stakes pattern. If any of those 4 describe you, don't ship the MCP server yet. Fix the foundation first. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.